Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today we want to review Samsung Galaxy A50 for you. So sit down more comfortably and let's start. Screensaver. Camera 25 megapixels 5MP 8 megapixels with f1.7. f2.2 wide angle and f2.2 with flash. 25 megapixels front cameras with f2. GB internal memory. 4 GB RAM memory expandable up to 512 GB with a micro SD slot. Android Pie v9 operating system with 229 GHz Exynos 9610 octa-core processor. $4,000 mAh lithium-ion battery with Type-C fast-charging 15W charger in the box. 1621 cm 6.4 inch. FHD Plus multi-touch capacitive touchscreen with 2340 1080 pixels resolution and 16 color support. The price $150. If you want to know about similar models, subscribe to the channel to learn about new products. Bye.